In this video, we cover all the initial setup steps to get started with the ESVIS H7C 2K and 2K dual lens Wi-Fi camera. Watch as we unbox the camera, install a memory card, configure recording settings, set up Wi-Fi, and add the camera to the app. We begin by introducing the features of the ESVIS H7C, followed by unboxing the camera to show you everything included in the package. Now, let's get started and set up your new smart camera from start to finish. The ESVIS H7C dual lens camera represents the future of security automation with its advanced dual lens 2K technology and unique features. One of its standout capabilities is the ability to connect to either the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band, ensuring a strong and reliable Wi-Fi signal. The H7C dual captures more than double the information of your old home camera. It features a motorized pan and tilt camera that monitors large interior spaces with minimal blind spots, while keeping key areas under continuous watch with a fixed view. The camera's two lenses work together to provide superior protection. When a person enters the zone watched by the fixed lens, the PT, pan tilt, lens automatically rotates to lock onto the person, follows their movement, records the entire event, and sends notifications with video footage. The bottom lens detects the moving person, while the top lens rotates 360 degrees to follow them, ensuring no action goes unnoticed. The H7C dual focuses on what matters, minimizing unnecessary alerts by intelligently detecting human movements and noise changes. Key features include motion detection, AI-powered human shape detection, loud noise detection, and customizable voice notifications, ensuring you're only alerted to important activities without extra fees. It also offers a panoramic view, two-way calling, smart color night vision, and auto smart tracking. With one-tap control, 2 patrol modes for enhanced security, and sleep mode for privacy, the H7C dual seamlessly integrates with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Additionally, it supports microSD cards, up to 512 GB, and ESVIS Cloud Play, utilizing H.265 video technology for efficient performance. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started with your H7C dual camera: one camera unit, a power adapter, and a Type-C USB power cable for easy setup. Additionally, there's a drill template and mounting plate for secure installation, along with a screw kit to ensure everything is properly fixed in place. You'll also receive regulatory information and a quick start guide to help you set up and configure your camera quickly and efficiently. Memory card installation. Before installing or removing the memory card from the H7C dual camera, ensure that the camera is powered off to protect both the card and the camera. The microSD card slot is located on the bottom of the camera. To access it, gently lift the camera lens upward. Insert the memory card as demonstrated in the video, making sure it fits securely in the slot. The camera supports microSD card storage of up to 512 GB. To insert or eject the memory card, gently push on the card until it clicks into place or pops out. With a maximum 512 GB SD card, you can record footage for up to 3 weeks, depending on factors like video quality and whether you use continuous or event-based recording modes. After successfully installing the memory card, turn on the camera to start recording. Power up the camera. To power up the H7C dual camera, connect it to a power source using the provided DC power adapter. Once you plug in the adapter, the camera will initiate its startup sequence. The PT, pan tilt, lens will rotate once, signaling that the camera is powering on. Initially, a red light will illuminate, indicating that the camera is in the booting process. As the camera completes its boot up, the red light will change to blue and begin flashing. This flashing blue light signifies that the camera is ready for configuration. At this point, you will also hear a voice announcement instructing you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the ESVIS app. Download the ESVIS app from the Play Store. The installation will take a few minutes. Once installed, open the app and select your region. If you have an existing ESVIZ account, log in with your phone number or email. If you're new, register by choosing either email or mobile number. For email registration, enter your email address and create a password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and verify your email by entering the code you receive. You can link your phone number to your account for easier login and enable face or biometric authentication for added security. Since we have already registered with an ESVIZ account, we can directly log in and use the app to start configuring the camera. Note, when configuring the Wi-Fi, keep the camera near the internet modem or router to set up the Wi-Fi and mobile app. Afterward, you can place the camera in its desired location. To add the camera, click on Add Device or the plus symbol. Ensure that the camera is in network connection mode. If it isn't, reboot or reset the camera using the Reset button. When you reach the device selection screen in the ESVIZ app, select Camera from the list of available device types. This ensures that the app recognizes the specific functionalities associated with a camera setup. Next, grant the app permission to access your photos. This permission allows the app to utilize the camera scanner effectively for reading QR codes directly from your device's display or from the camera itself, streamlining the setup process. After selecting the device type and allowing photo access, the camera scanner interface will open. This scanner reads QR codes, which are essential for linking the camera to the app. Locate the QR code on the camera body label, usually a square code printed on a sticker. Hold your smartphone so the camera scanner can clearly view the QR code. The app will automatically recognize and process the code, which contains the camera's unique identification and configuration details. Once scanned, the app will guide you through the next steps to complete the setup process, including connecting the camera to your Wi-Fi network. The app will prompt you to enable Bluetooth on your phone to configure the camera. Grant the permission to agree and allow this feature, as it is necessary for establishing a connection between your device and the camera. Once Bluetooth is enabled, you can continue with the setup process seamlessly. To configure Wi-Fi for the ESVIZ H7C dual lens camera, start by selecting the appropriate frequency band, as the device supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. If your router supports both bands, opt for the 5 GHz band for stronger connectivity and faster speeds. After selecting the network, enter the Wi-Fi password accurately to ensure a successful connection. Once the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi router, you will hear a voice prompt confirming the configuration, indicating that the setup is complete and the camera is ready for use.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected. Passport registration successful. Configuration complete. Welcome to EasyViz.
Ensure that you securely back up and store the device QR code associated with your camera, as it is crucial for future configurations or modifications to the network settings. If you need to change the Wi-Fi network or reset the camera, you can quickly retrieve the saved QR code data to facilitate the process. By default, audio recording is turned off for privacy reasons, but you can enable this feature if you wish to capture sound along with the video footage. You can also configure the date and time settings, ensuring accurate timestamps on your recordings, and select your preferred date format for easier readability. Additionally, you can enable cloud storage for recorded footage during the free trial period, allowing remote access to your video recordings for added security. Finally, personalize your device by entering a name and designating its location within your home or business. Once these settings are configured, you can access live streaming from the camera, enabling real-time monitoring of the area it covers. Additionally, a screen may appear prompting you to initialize the memory card for the first time. If not, you can check the status or initialize the memory card under the camera settings to start recording footage. Go to Camera Settings, then to the Record list, and select storage medium to get the status of the memory card. If the card is uninitialized, select the storage medium and click the Initialize button to format the card and prepare it for recording. Upon successful initialization, the card status will change to In Use, and the storage capacity will be displayed. The recorded footage playback can be accessed by switching to the SD card storage view. By default, the camera will record motion detection or event recording. This recording mode can be set according to your needs. You can find this option in the same Record List settings, where you can choose between 24/7 continuous recording or event-based recording. After you have successfully configured the Wi-Fi and added the camera to the EZVIZ app, you can move forward with installing the camera in its designated location. This step is crucial as it ensures that the camera is positioned optimally for monitoring the desired area. Once installed, the camera becomes fully operational. It offers a range of features, including live streaming, which allows you to view real-time footage directly from your smartphone or tablet, regardless of your location. The playback feature enables you to access previously recorded footage, making it easy to review events that occurred while you were away. Additionally, the PTZ, Pan Tilt Zoom, control feature provides enhanced flexibility, allowing you to remotely adjust the camera's angle and zoom in on specific areas for a closer look. You can access all these features through the EZVIZ app, which works seamlessly over mobile data or Wi-Fi internet connections worldwide. This means that whether you are at home, at work, or traveling, you can monitor your property in real time. For those looking for further clarification or more detailed information, additional segments of this video series will provide comprehensive explanations about various settings and functionalities. We will cover topics such as storage settings, which determine how recorded footage is saved and accessed, event alerts that notify you of specific activities detected by the camera, two-way audio capabilities that allow you to communicate through the camera, and other important configurations that enhance your overall experience with the device. This thorough approach will help you make the most of your EZVIZ camera system. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more informative content like this and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated.